Come pack an order with me today. This is gonna be fun. This order is for our lovely customer Jill in Colorado. Here I have my pick ticket of all the styles that she ordered, and right now I'm going through and grabbing everything, putting it in my bin, and you'll see all of our styles are in its own location, which makes it nice. Now I'm scanning in her order. I'm pulling up all the styles that she got, and I have to double check myself, which is why our system makes us scan everything in again to make sure we have the correct size style. And she got some of the cutest stuff. So she got Z Supply tanks, this cute blazer, which has an amazing color black contrast, and my favorite cardigan we just got in. The print is gorgeous, and another great little basic. I have to fold it all. You'll see Summer cheering me on in the background because this is not my normal job. Normally it's her or Jake that fulfills the orders. I wanted to make this fun though. I added some tissue with our Kelsi's Closet logo. If you want me to fulfill yours next, let me know. Now I'm just purchasing a label. This required a large bag because she had a pretty big order. And then I had to include a thank you card because we always appreciate each and every one of you that supports our local boutique. I added some free swag, of course, so she got a top and a cute necklace with some mints. And then I put my little shipping label on, but Summer actually had to fix it because I messed up the packaging.